Sunday at Smokin' US 30 Drag Strip.
Watch the best rear-engine field dragsters in the country try to push their brute machines into the magic 5-second elapsed time barrier.
From Michigan, Tim Arnold's Fierce Hallucination Fueler.
From Ohio, John Hilton's Motion Maker rear-engine field dragster.
From LaGrange, Illinois, it's Gary Dye's LaGrange Dodge Dragster.
From Detroit, see John McNew's Savage Fueler Rampage.
From Chicago, John Sinibaldi's Super Bad 230-mile-per-hour Scarlet Fever.
Plus from Missouri, the tough team of Hurst and Pryor.
Plus, over 100 entries compete for the Great Pro Stock and Run Tough Eliminator Cash Awards.
Smokin' US 30 Drag Strip is located south of Gary, 2 miles east of Interstate 65 on Highway US 30.
That was an actual radio advertisement that played in the Chicago and Northwest Indiana area where the drag strip was located. The track opened in the mid-1950s during the golden era of hot rods and was a popular destination until it closed in 1984. Unfortunately, all that remains today is an isolated quarter-mile stretch of road.